Manufactured in Germany, these heavy-duty cast-iron manual radial arm crosscut saws are a useful piece of equipment used in many woodworking businesses, but can also be used to cut PVC and aluminium. The precise ball bearing guide of the tool slide on the hardened ground steel shaft gives you smooth, accurate movement of the saw unit. The unique pivoting of the saw unit makes it ideal for miter cutting in the horizontal plane, with the bevel and compound cuts also available on the N version, which has a vertical tilt. We can supply 3 models, the ZS135, ZS170 and ZS200, all available in the N version. Optional extras are available including digital readout, hydrocheck and pneumatic clamps. This is the medium-sized model, which comes with a 3 kilowatt motor and a 420mm blade, allowing cuts to a depth of 170mm. With the standard model, the miter horizontal range is from 45 degrees to -30 degrees. And with the N version, the vertical range is from 90 degrees to -45 degrees left leaning. The ZS200 is our largest heavy-duty model with a 520mm blade and a 5 kilowatt motor, with the largest cutting depth of 200mm. With the standard model, the miter horizontal range is from 45 degrees to -30 degrees, and with the N version, the vertical range is 60 degrees to -30. The Graule QNF range are suitable for cutting wood, aluminium and PVC. This cross-groove milling machine comes in 3 versions, the QNF90, the QNFW and the QNFWM. We mainly supply the 90 or the QNFWM. Typical Graule machine, robust heavy-duty cast-iron construction with precise ball bearing guide of the tool slide on the hardened ground steel shaft. They have a 3 kilowatt motor, a hand wheel for the rise and fall of the cutter motor arm, automatic horizontal pneumatic material clamping and hydrocheck damper. The QNF90 is the standard machine for straight 90-degree cross grooves, whereas the QNFW can do horizontal angles ranging from 45 degrees through to -45. And the WN has the added capability to do vertical angles from 90 degrees to -45 left.